Welcome, cake lovers, to the Costa del Sol and the first big event of the new year with the great Boomerang Bake-Off. Gill from Boomerang Bar in Pueblo, Blanco, Torremolinos, has organised this mouth-watering event, and a baker's dozen have stepped up to the plate and risen to the challenge. Our evil judges for today are local culinary connoisseurs and cake aficionados Sven the Serious from Casero Bistro, our friendly judge, the cake-loving Chrissy, and Jeff the Ruthless from the aptly named El Gato Lounge. Fantastic. There's a fine selection of sugary delights and a hungry crop of contestants, all waiting to binge on their baking. Let's check out the entries.
It's full of alcohol.
They're queer brownies because I've got cherries. So cherry popping full of nuts and a wee bit of liquor.
My cake is based on Ben Nevis in the northeast of Scotland in the Highlands. And it's Ben Nevis in the winter time, which is very cold, not like here.
I decided to do a Swedish princess cake before finding out that none of the ingredients are available in the local supermarket. So next year I won't be doing that again.
Yeah, so these are my pain raison, and so far everyone keeps asking me to show the receipt for them, which of course there isn't one because I made them myself.
What you have to remember is I'm from Essex and everything is understated.
Artist Cake is designed to produce world peace and cure the problems in North Korea. Simple as that.
I love cakes, and then we're gonna try today, so I'm very excited.
The heat is on, and you can cut the anticipation with a knife. And we're off.
Cake number 1, orange.
Let the tasting begin. Jeff has devised a truly evil strategy to catalogue the cakes, test the texture, and taste and penalise any poor performing pastries. They're not giving anything away as they work their way through the entries slice by slice. The judges remain deadpan. And the only rush is from all the sugar. And finally, proof that you can have your cake and eat it.
Wow! Surprise, surprise. The rainbow cake.
And the results are in. Time to see just who has scooped the dish of the day.
It was actually very easy.
Thank you, bakers.
Yeah, we know that all of you made a big effort, but not every effort is rewarded, of course. Because I would say some cakes were bad, some all right, and some very good. But everything is eatable. The third prize, it's a carrot cake by Paco.
This is yours, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this cake got like especially very high.
Oh, thank you.
Well, number from 1 to 10, it was everywhere like 9999. So it's like it's a very good thing, and it tastes better than it looks like. But well, but it's the second prize, Mary Starbucks Tower. And then we have, of course, the best one.
The best. Really the best.
Number one prize of 2018 goes to Swedish Princess Cake by Sam.
A worthy winner. And congratulations to all the runners-up curdling in the corner.
I really did not want that. Because that goes to nothing in the apartment at all.
Swedish Princess. Oh, it's like tastes fabulous.
It did take a lot of work.
Yeah,
We can see you have to make marzipan. Yeah, I didn't expect that, and I didn't expect this either. So I might put that on eBay later, or Milanunfios. So thank you very much.
Now, let them eat cake.
This is actually very quick.
Wow.
Don't desert us, cake lovers. Subscribe for seconds and we'll be back for round 2 next year, if our arteries can take another appetising adventure in Andalusia.